In this video, you will learn how to make multiple selections in drop-down list in Excel with two methods. Now let's start with the first method, using VBA script to make multiple selections in drop-down list. By default, you can only select one item in an Excel drop-down list. In the worksheet where you want to make the drop-down list multi-selection, right-click the Sheet tab, select View Code from the context menu. In the Visual Basic Editor, enter the VBA script in the window. The VBA script is provided in the post, you can go to copy it. Now press the Alt+Q keys to close the Visual Basic Editor, and go back to the worksheet. Now you can select multiple items in drop-down list in the current worksheet. VBA code has many limitations. If you are not familiar with VBA script, it is hard to modify the code to meet your needs. Now, let's see how to use Kutools for Excel to make multiple selections in drop-down list with a few clicks only. If you want to work in only one selection, just select this range in advance. Go to the Kutools tab, select drop-down list. Select multi-select drop-down list from the menu. In the Set Scope section, you can change the operation range if you need to. As we have already selected a range of cells before applying the feature, the selected range is configured in this section automatically. You can change the separator and text direction to suit your needs, and enable the search function for the drop-down list. Finally, click OK to save the settings. When you click on the cell containing the drop-down list, a list including the plus and minus signs will be displayed on the right side. You just need to click the plus sign to add the corresponding item to the cell, and click the minus sign to remove it from the cell. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.